Hi, I welcome you back to Flourish with Academy. In our last video, we installed Python and set up our development environment. Well, today we'll cover the basics of Python syntax and write our first program. Now, we'll write a simple program in Python, and that simple program is to display hello world in our terminal. And to do that, we'll be using the print method. But before we dive into all that, we first have to create our Python file. Now, if you open Visual Studio Code for the first time and its interface is looking exactly the way mine is, there are multiple ways to which you can create a new file. If your Visual Studio Code is exactly like this, you can create a new file from here. It brings up this modal. When you come to this file, if it's not looking like this, and then under the new text file, you see new file, and then it still brings up this file. And you can even see we have Python file here. But then we name our file hello.py. And then it will prompt us for a location to save our file. I'll be choosing desktop and then Python 100 _ day of code. Well, I already have one saved here. I'll just replace it and add a new file. Now, like I said earlier, we'll be using the print method to display our text, to display our hello in the terminal. And the print method takes in any number of arguments. So to display the hello world, we will enclose the hello world within double quotation mark. And what this double quotation mark Python does or means that anything that is enclosed within double quotation mark is a string. And as you can see, this is a simple program in Python. Now, the next we need to do is to execute this with our Python interpreter. And the only way we can do that is to use our terminal. We can either launch our terminal from here or use the Ctrl J. If I hit the Ctrl J now, to take away the terminal. If I hit the Ctrl J to bring it back. All I need to do is to type in Python 3, which is a Python interpreter because it is installed globally. And then hello.py. And now we have an error. And this error is due to the fact that the Python interpreter cannot find the hello.py file inside this directory. And if you notice, it says can't open file home kami hello.py. And if you look at this Visual Studio Code, you see that we have hello kami desktop Python 100 _ day of code hello.py. So what I need to do is to change my directory to that directory. But first, I need to check where I am currently. And in Linux, we use the print working directory to do that. The next thing to do is change direction to home kami desktop Python 100 _ day of code. And if I hit enter and I hit ls, the ls command, I will see my file here. What I need to do again is to just type in Python 3 hello.py. Now, if you look at the video again from the beginning, you see that this file was not in bold when I hit the Python interpreter hello.py. And now it is in bold because the Python interpreter can see the hello.py file. What I need to do is to hit enter and I have my hello world in the terminal. And that's how easy it is to write or code in Python. And the next thing I need to talk about is the Python syntax. The Python uses indentation to define code block. And the easiest way to explain that is by showing you. Now I've copied that away. And I need to do is to write a simple program of if 5 is greater than 2, print hello world. 5 is greater than 2. But now as you can see, we have this red warning sign. And this red warning sign is the reason why I chose Visual Studio Code. And it's a powerful editor that is informing me now that I'm not doing something right at the moment. And if I put my mouse over where that red signal is, you see that it is saying that I do not have a colon in place. So this basically means that I need to add a colon here. And once I do that, that red goes away. And if I hit enter and then add the print method that I copied earlier, I'm going to just do this. All the entire red goes away, the entire warning goes away. and inside here I can just hello world from 5 is greater than 2. And if I save and execute that file, hello world, yes, that is the basic syntax in Python, and that's how easy it is to code in Python. What I need to do now to show you again by executing the Python file again. So this time I have hello world and hello world from 5 is greater than 2. And yes, that's it. That is how easy it is to code in Python. And that's how simple Python indentation is. Or that's how simple Python syntax is because it uses indentation. And then in the next video, we'll explore variables and receiving inputs. Now remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Thank you.